Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Shadow and Bone Season 1, Episode 1. I want to try this show. I said it to you, you know, when I finished The Mandalorian, I was waiting for this show to be out because I wanted to try it, because the trailer really hyped me. Even if I didn't read the books, that's it. You've got the fair warning of this binge watching. I'm gonna try to say it in each intros for the ones of you who are gonna discover my channel with videos about Shadow and Bone. I didn't read the books, so I'm sorry if I'm making some mistakes and all. I have to say it, I'm a little stressed about it, I'm a little afraid of you, you know. I know that this fandom, the fandom of Shadow and Bone, the books, you are a lot and you are really passionate about these books, about this universe, and you are really impatient also about this show, if it's gonna be good enough for you, who are waiting since so long to have a show or a movie really well done to translate well the books. I hope for you that it's gonna be the case, that you're gonna have the show that you want. But I have to say it, I'm a little afraid of you. I'm a little afraid because I know that when people are passionate about a book and this book is translated into a show or a movie, like it was the case for Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, Game of Thrones, The Witcher, His Dark Materials, all of them, can be also really annoyed if someone is making a mistake, if someone is judging bad the thing that they love, and I'm a little afraid of that. Of you guys, I have to confess it. It's not gonna change my way of reacting to shows. I'm gonna do like I did for The Witcher, you know. I already watched the season 1 of The Witcher and reacted to it. I'm gonna put the link if you can be interested by that. Even if I didn't read the books, I enjoyed, loved this first season of The Witcher, and I really involved myself into the story, into this universe. And you know, I think that it can be interesting, like, you know, when I'm reacting to His Dark Materials, I have a point of view, the point of view of the fans who read the books and who want the books to be well translated into the show. When I'm reacting to The Witcher, I have the view, you know, the point of view of the person who didn't read the books and who is just enjoying a show, discovering a universe with a show. So I already did this too, so I was like, for Shadow and Bone, I can try also to do it, because I know really that this show can please me. I watched the trailer and it really hyped me. I really thought that this universe can please me. I love that kind of universe. I love that kind of rules, you know, also into a different universe. I love to discover stuff, to understand how it's functioning and all. Right now I'm binge watching Avatar: The Last Airbender, and I had that little game during the season 1 to try to understand all of the different elements and how it was working, the bending, the powers and all. So I'm really enjoying that, you know, into new universe that I'm discovering, and in particular into shows. So I know that this show can please me because of that, because of a new universe with new rules, with characters that I can enjoy. So I'm also excited, you know, to discover it in a different way, you know, than you are, because of course you're gonna be more excited than me, you know, you who read the books and who want to discover what they prepared for you. Again, I hope that it's gonna be what you wanted. But you know it, guys, I'm honest with you always. For now, I want to try it because I think that it can please me really a lot. But I don't know for now if I'm gonna really react to it. I'm gonna try it. I think that I'm gonna try the 3 first episodes to really give myself an opinion about this show. And then I'll see if I'm gonna post these reaction videos. Maybe I'm filming that and no one is gonna see that. I want my reaction videos, how I'm imagining them. I'm posting reaction videos about shows and now movies only if I have two things, you know. If I'm reacting enough during the episode, you don't want to have someone who is just watching at the episode like that without reacting, and you know what, I'm making reaction videos, I'm not a streaming way to watch the show. And also if my thoughts are interesting enough about the show during the reviews. You're gonna learn quick if you're discovering me that I'm making long intros and reviews because I love to share with people my thoughts about a show, how it's written, the stories, the characters, how they are developed. Also to share my theories about shows, what I think that can happen in the future, what I think that happened during the episode, and also what I think about how it's done, you know, how it's filmed, the music and all. I love to talk about that. For me, my reaction videos, how I'm imagining them with interesting reactions during the episode and also with interesting thoughts after the episode. These two things, you know, really, I want the two things. So for now, I don't know if I'm gonna post these reaction videos. I mean, for now, for me, if you are watching this on YouTube, it means that I decided to react to this show. That's another thing that you can learn about me with this video. When I'm beginning something, I'm finishing it. I'm not beginning something if I think that maybe I'm not gonna continue it. I don't want me and you guys to be frustrated about it, to not have the rest of the season and all. So if you are watching this on YouTube, that's alright, you're gonna have the rest of the season with me. The last thing that I wanted to say before beginning this episode is the fact that I have a Patreon on which I'm posting extended reaction part, and sometimes for big episodes, for episodes in which I'm reacting a lot and all of that, the full reaction part. So if you can be interested by that, go check the link on the description. I'm gonna post the videos at the same rhythm, you know, on YouTube and on Patreon. Patreon with an extended or full reaction part. And also, because of the fact that Netflix dropped all of the episodes at once, I'm gonna be careful with the way that I'm gonna post my reaction videos about it, because I want to let you guys the time to watch them on your own. Again, I'm making reaction videos, I'm not a streaming way to watch the show. So that's why, you know, if I'm deciding to post these videos, I'm gonna begin with one episode, and after that it's gonna be 2 episodes each week. So you're gonna have the time to really watch this season on your own. Okay, so now I'm gonna begin this episode. Again, I didn't read the books. I prefer to warn you about that if you are really hardcore fans of the books. I want to discover this show because I think that I can really like it. I'm excited but also afraid a little of you, of this fandom, because you are really passionate and I don't want to have some trolls, you know, in the comments telling me how much I'm stupid and all. Please be careful with spoilers on the comments, don't tell me anything about the rest of the show, you don't know when I'm gonna post this reaction video. If you want to have me reacting to things happening into the show, to be surprised by it, you don't want to tell me spoilers also about what is happening in the books. That's it, I think that I said everything that I wanted to say. Let's go for this episode 1. I'm really excited to discover it, but I'm really nervous about making a reaction video about it. I don't know, I have the impression that you're so excited and impatient. It's really impressing me and stressing me. I hope that I'm not gonna say really wrong stuff. I'm sorry if it's the case, don't blame me, please. It's long episodes. It's great because it's only 8 episodes. Let's go!
When I was young, I was afraid of the dark.
Alina?
When I got older, I learned that darkness is a place, and it's full of monsters. I live in East Africa, but I've never been welcome here. Because I look like my mother, and she looked like the enemy.
Look like?
You grew up here. Come on.
You sure I'm the one, right?
We're almost there. I learned about my true enemy when I was a child.
Fold ate your parents.
Fold 8?
People trying to cross, taunting the saints.
So many new words.
The North want our Grisha dead. The South guards its mountains. We have nowhere else to go.
The way out around the fold to go somewhere where no one cares where I'm from.
That's the fold?
We are never going to see it go away.
Saint who can summon the soul will destroy it.
I'd like to see even one
The
person.
saint who can summon
I
the
don't know. Well, he isn't afraid of men. You'd be surprised.
You know him?
No?
Ah,
God,
he was an orphan with you?
in the woods to the east.
So many informations!
Can you draw me where I see her?
Excuse me?
Or I'll cut you.
Mal, Alina, the saints, the fold, a prediction about a saint that can destroy the fold, orphans, dead parents. No. It's you, my dear. Hello. We are from Mal, right? I don't know him, so I'm not sure. You're a beast. You're cheating, no?
You told me about that magic, huh? It's just there. Come on!
Okay, some people can use magic. You can't, Mal? So many things to learn, really?
Lena!
You're still friends?
Looking for a way through the mountains.
So we're back together.
They can't keep best friends apart for too long.
Oh,
Cool. You're saying you missed me. I mean, first army here. We were like a halfway house accepting to each.
Well, actually, I won't be accepting any donations.
the music is great.
What do you do? Foreign money? Run the hand down.
I don't crush your dreams.
Yeah! It's burning!
Fire? The other guy that was hell, this one fire?
You should wanted more space.
It's the four elements also? I'm seeing also because of Avatar that I'm binge watching right now.
It wasn't all bad. We learned some good life lessons back then.
Yeah. Had to stay with the class.
Don't cry in public.
Hide your emotional breakdowns when you're alone.
Always carry like a
Always.
Hmm.
We should call it ultralight. Made by their own fabricator.
What happened to the last one?
Faster forward.
Came back. Alright, okay. Do rock, Michelle, this is Alina. Your little friend, correct?
Oh, you talked about
How is that wrong? He talks about it all the time.
What does he say?
Oh, well. But look at him! Oh, it's so easy to ride.
I can like them.
What does he say about me?
Even me, I understood, girl.
Continue north to the fjord and front lines.
I'm gonna need a map, really? For people who don't know this universe, it's hard to catch up on everything.
Trees bullets for your
I'm gonna
guns
need some time.
and sugar for your tea. Supply run across the fold. Tracker, Marianne Onexe. Corporal Matthew Mentor. It has to be.
An error has to be.
It was because of the box thing earlier? No, you seem nice. I don't want you to die now. I'm just beginning to know your name. The musics are great. They are subtle, you know, they are not taking all of the place, but they are good.
The lucky known casino on the block is that trouble counterfeit coin lately. Heavy, but brittle.
Who are you?
The knockoff.
Let's not joke, you know, with that guy.
No loud noises at the table, Jesper.
Chester,
Can you be on the door?
Yeah, right, boss.
you're his boss, okay.
Early
The music, really?
You want, Roxy?
Behind you?
Hello, Nash.
Enough money to change lives.
Doesn't take much to change someone's life in the barrel.
$1 million, Kruger?
The barrel, Kruger, you know all of the money's name?
Merchant.
Teresa. I've heard of him.
He's looking for a crew willing to cross the fold into East Africa and bring back something. But he's taking meetings tonight, starting at midnight.
Tell me you followed him.
He brought someone in from a ship, Kaz. I got this lead from one of the girls at the menagerie.
Are you?
Kaz, Inej,
You know what I mean?
Jesper, Alina,
She
Mal.
has skills, she's like me.
I only invest in the one of a kind. She
Louisa.
isn't like you. No one is. You're the one of us who believes in a higher power. If we're going to survive a round trip through the fold, we'll need a miracle or two. She's our ship. And Arthur. Back of the lane, good friends. Cheer.
You don't want to give her food, really? I hate racism in all universes.
You can get arrested for that. Stealing from Second Army. Aren't you one of our escorts for the crossing?
That's right.
I don't mind sharing.
That's not what we. It's for a friend.
What's your name?
Mal.
Wow. You tracker.
Zoya. I'm a scholar.
So yeah.
I'd like to have a good tumble with a stranger. Clears my head.
You're direct.
You always do, somehow.
So,
Immigration test.
I thought it'd get me an invitation to jail. I was like,
Mhm.
she flirted with me.
She did.
Look, reason one is getting me. Turns out they do need me. So,
Shoot you in the foot.
It sounds like a real proof of friendship. They're sweet. I'm not sure of shipping them or not.
Don't ask.
Clearly, I'm not right there now. I'm just trying to remember everything to understand things. But they're sweet.
well, what is wrong with this?
You're afraid, man.
Goes wrong. Come back.
I'll find my way back to you.
Okay, I can ship them quick. You know, if they are really taking time like that for their scenes.
Well, first, I'm going down there in Canada. I'll write you a letter. Tell us how to safely cross the fault.
The fault. News on you. Probably brought in guards from Mazata. The other side.
Yeah.
Inej.
Hard way. Lost a few to those down boat crew too.
It's really a gymnastic, you know, to remember all of their names, to try to put them places and
We're gonna be
what
here all night.
they want.
Rude.
When you didn't read the books, it's hard, you know.
The sun summoner.
A sun
Doesn't
summoner?
exist yet.
They said that only a saint who can summon the sun and do this thing about the fold. No? It's a thing to be a sun summoner?